Let's be real, no one dreams about cleaning their bathroom, but considering how much time we spend in here every day, it gets grimy fast. First things first, I clear everything off my countertop. Soap dispensers, toothbrushes, all of it. It makes wiping way easier. Before I grab any cleaner, I do a dry wipe down to remove hair, dust, and water spots. Trust me, trying to clean a wet hair strand, it's a nightmare. Dry first, then clean. It's a game changer. One spot people always forget about is the faucet aerator. That little mesh piece where the water comes out. If yours is removable, soak it in vinegar. Otherwise, a small scrub brush and vinegar will break down any hard water buildup. For the sink itself, you don't need fancy cleaners. I use equal parts dish soap and baking soda on a sponge. This combo has just the right amount of grit to break down grime. Also, always be sure to scrub the underside of where the sink and the countertop meet. Another important area is around the drain, since that's where pink bacteria, yup, it's airborne, loves to build up. And don't forget the overflow drain. That little hole near the top of your sink traps so much gunk. Now, if you have marble countertops like me, be careful. Vinegar and harsh cleaners are a no-go since marble is porous. Instead, mix a tiny bit of pH-neutral dish soap in warm water and wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth. Okay, deep breath, it's toilet time. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be gross. Just like with the counter, I start by dry dusting the toilet lid, tank, seat, and sides to remove dust before adding any liquid cleaner. For an all-purpose spray that actually works, I mix 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, and 1 teaspoon dish soap. Spray it everywhere and let it sit for a minute. This gives the cleaner time to break down the grime while I tackle the bowl. One spot everyone forgets is the underside rim of the bowl. This is where hard water stains love to hide. A melamine sponge works wonders here. Gloves on, scrub the area first before moving to the rest of the bowl. Once the toilet bowl cleaner has done its thing, grab your brush and scrub from top to bottom, finishing at the drain. When you flush, twist the brush down the drain, then set it to dry between the seat and the lid. Then give the outside of the toilet a good wipe down with a disposable paper towel. For an extra deep clean, a handheld steam cleaner with a nozzle attachment is amazing for getting into seams and crevices. For a fresh scent, I drop a foaming toilet balm as a final step. The best way to clean your shower head is to set it and forget it. For the shower walls, I use the same DIY all-purpose spray of 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, and 1 teaspoon dish soap. Then scrub with a melamine sponge. I also hit the shower fixtures using the same method. When cleaning the tub, I focus on the area where the walls meet the tub. This is where soap scum builds up the most. A sprayable dish detergent works great since it's made to cut through grease and grime. I scrub and then give it a good rinse. I use a pitcher for better control, but if you have a handheld shower head, that works great too. For grout, I actually prefer to use an acid-free grout cleaner like Black Diamond that has a more gentle touch. Just spray it on, let it sit for a minute or two, and then scrub and rinse, making it safe for use on porcelain, ceramic, and marble surfaces, and also revives the original color of the grout. A handheld steam cleaner also works great for sanitizing and loosening stubborn buildup in the fixture's seams and crevices. To get a streak-free mirror, I use the S-pattern method, top to bottom, side to side. And if I spot any smudges after, a microfiber cloth does the trick. Alright, I swear by foaming glass cleaner. Not just for mirrors, but also for baseboards, especially if you have pets. Just spray, wipe with a microfiber cloth, and it's literal magic. I also clean each item individually before putting it back, so I'm not just redepositing dust and gunk. The small details really make the space feel fresh. Plus, now the most stressful part of your bathroom is deciding whether the toilet paper should roll over or under.